Best US dropshipping suppliers find the best quality products. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the best dropshipping suppliers for US and EU based products. If you have a dropshipping business which is based in US, then you should watch this video. I'm going to show you the best dropshipping suppliers that give you the best quality products. So let's get into it. First on the list, we have Spocket.co, which is a dropshipping supplier of original US and EU based products. You will be able to choose the best products, and there are thousands of different dropshipping suppliers available on Spocket. Spocket allows you to create an account for free, so all you need to do is just enter your email address right here and you will be able to get started. With Spocket dropshipping, you will be able to connect your store, any kind of store you have. You want to connect your Shopify, you want to connect your Amazon, if you want to connect your Etsy, you will be able to do that. On Spocket, we have different types of products available. You will be able to choose products from women's clothing, we have men's clothing, we have bath and beauty, kids and babies, tech accessories are available, toys, pets, then we have bags and wallets, automotives, then we have gifts, festivals. So all of these different products are available on Spocket. The prices of the products are not that much high, and with Spocket we actually get fast delivery. So if you struggle with, let's say you actually find products from China that take a lot of time. So with Spocket, if you're finding the US and EU based products, then you will be able to lessen your delivery time and you will be able to deliver products in 2 to 3 days. With Spocket, there is quick, reliable, and effortless delivery. How it works is that customer purchases the products from a store, you have a Shopify store, and then their order goes directly to the supplier. And what happens is your supplier ships the product to your customer and you keep your profit. So with Spocket, you will be able to earn a lot of profit because the products are not that expensive and the quality of the product is actually what makes Spocket stand out. In integration, you can connect Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Alibaba, Felix, eBay, and then we have Squarespace, Acquit, Square, and eBay. So these are the different integrations. In a partnership, we have different suppliers available, affiliates, and top partners as well. There's also a pricing for Spocket. So let me show you so that you will have a better idea about the affordability of Spocket. So there's a free plan available for $0, and then there is starter for $29.99 per month. Pro is maximize sale. This one is $49.99, and Emperor is $99.99. So you should definitely go ahead and check out Spocket.co. Next on the list, we have Modalist.co. Modalist.co is another dropshipping supplier for US and EU based products. With Modalist, you will be able to dropship different types of products. You will be able to create and grow your e-commerce brand. With Modalist, again, you just need an account and you can get started for free. With Modalist, you will be able to sell and find different types of products in men's clothing, women's clothing, kids, we have beauty and accessories, all kind of products are available. Using a Modalist is really easy. You just need to get started on Modalist, then connect your Shopify store, your Wix store, or any other store you want. Then you will curate the products, customize the products, and sell. You will be able to make a lot of profit with Modalist. High quality products are available and EU and US based, less delivery time. If we talk about the app integrations available for Modalist, we have Shopify, we have Wix, and BigCommerce available that we can connect. With Modalist, again, we will be able to actually get a free plan, and then there is a pricing plan. So for Modalist, we have a free plan available for $0, and then there is a startup for $35 per month, and Pro is going to be $90 per month. You can check out the different features and tools available on Modalist.co. Moving on, we have Salewho.com. Salewho.com is a very famous dropshipping supplier, which is a wholesale supplier. So it also deals in US and EU based products. And if you're looking for a wholesale, dropshipping supplier, then you should definitely check out Salewho. With Salewho, you will be able to find high quality products and prices will be low, and you will be able to create predictable shipping items and different suppliers. Okay. With Salehu, you will be able to choose from variety of products. A lot of products are available, and Chinese-based products are available too, and US and EU based as well. So all you need to do is just like sign up for Salehu. You will be directed to thousands of different suppliers, and wholesale products are available on Salehu too. So if you're looking for a wholesale supplier, then you should check out salehu.com. So there is a Salehu directory, then there is Salehu dropshipping, this one right here. Salehu dropship lets you add trending products from AliExpress to your Shopify store in minutes. So you can connect your Shopify store, your Wix store, or any other store you want to Salehu to get started with your dropshipping business. Moving on, we have Whitebox. What you have to do is go to whitebox.com and you will land right here. It is another EU and US based dropshipping supplier, a wholesale supplier as well. Getting started with Whitebox is also really easy. You're gonna click on Get Started, and then you will be able to select a variety of products from different dropshipping suppliers. Whitebox is a new type of e-commerce platform that offers brand a full service Amazon advertising agency. So with Whitebox, what happens is it is actually famous for Amazon, especially when it comes to the Amazon products, and it is also an analytic platform that gives you the access for advertising your Amazon strategy and management. So if you're actually if you're looking for a platform that will help you with your Amazon and that will allow you to actually create a strategy for your dropshipping business, then you should check out Whitebox, and you will also be able to find some suppliers here. The pricing plan for Whitebox is pretty simple. You can get the pricing, you just have to enter the information about your business and then request a code, and you will get your own pricing here. Last but not the least, we have Dropify.com. Dropify is a dropshipping automation platform that allows you to find dropshipping suppliers from all around the world. What you have to do is go to Dropify.com and then you will get started. All you need to do is just create an account and you will get right here. So on Dropify, you will be able to automate your dropshipping business for your eBay, AliExpress, and Shopify as well. You will be able to find a lot of variety of products, high quality products available for your BigCommerce and WooCommerce store as well. All you need to do is just connect your Dropify with your store, and then you will list your products and, of course, earn your profit. You will be able to add products in seconds, and then automatically place, the customer will be able to automatically place the order. You will be able to sell your products for free on Facebook Marketplace too with Dropify. You can also find, import, and edit the products, track, manage, and customize orders without any hassle, and automate the rules and BOGO too. So with this, you can also add it to your Shopify store. And of course, US and EU based products are available. So if you're looking for a very easy to use, there's also a pricing plan for Dropify too. So there are two types here actually. We have a dropshipping, and then we also have a dropshipping with private label. So this is a new feature available on Dropify, and you will also be able to actually sell a product with your own private label. So this is actually pretty impressive, and you can check out the pricing plan for both of these. Let's say you want to check out for AliExpress and eBay. So you will get the pricing plan right here. Getting started with any of these pricing plan is actually for free. You can just hit get started for free and you will get your own account. On Dropify as well, you will be able to find different types of product in any of the categories and niches. So yeah, guys, these are the best US and EU based dropshipping suppliers that will give you the right products and are very easy to use. Go ahead and check them out right now. We have Spocket.co, Modellist.co, Salehu.com, then we have Whitebox.com and Dropify.com. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.